Hey y'all, welcome back to another Ryan Michelle cleaning video. In today's video, we are cleaning, decluttering, and organizing my messy bedroom. Although this is a quick clean, it is still a huge one because my room was extremely messy. This video is also in collaboration with Silvery, and I'm so happy to be working with them today. Y'all, we have so much to get done, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is the before. It's a hot mess. I know, it's just messy. Just terrible. Just crazy, y'all. But we're going to start with the floors because I can't be tripping and falling all over the place. But if you are new here today, welcome to my channel. I'm Ryan Michelle. I'm a military wife and a mom of 3. On my channel, you can find tons of videos where I clean, declutter, and organize all throughout my whole house. But this one, we are just cleaning, decluttering, and organizing in the bedroom. If you missed part 1 where we decluttered my closet, I'll leave that link down below. These books have been on the floor for months, so I grabbed this shelf out of Lauren's room for the time being. So again, thanks to Silvery for collaborating with me on this video. We will be refreshing the bedding today, out with the old, in with the new. I'm just going to throw all of this bedding in the hallway. Silvery is a brand that specializes in top-tier comfortable bedding, and they are highly recommended by sleep experts. They didn't just create comfortable bedding, but engineered a sleep innovation that actually works. Products contain revolutionary silver fabric that helps regulate your body temperature far more efficiently than traditional bedding. So it regulates your body temperature and eliminates bacteria while you're sleeping. Silvery sent me a new comforter. They also sent some new sheets and some extra pillowcases. And when you get your new bedding from Silvery, this is what your packaging will come looking like. The packaging was so pretty, so top tier. I absolutely love everything, y'all. But when I pulled the comforter out, I noticed how plush and luxe and soft this fabric was. It was just like literally unbelievable. I've never felt any bedding, sheets, pillowcases, comforter Nothing. I have never felt anything this soft in my entire life for bedding. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that is so cute, y'all. The fabric is just like luxuriously soft. Like I said, I've never had any sheets or bedding this soft. But the bedding does stay cool all night long regardless of the room temperature or whether you sleep with a partner. And it's also hypoallergenic and dermatologist approved. So I'm just going to make the bed using my new Silvery sheets, and then we're going to start back cleaning once I finish. And then a little bit later on, I'll show you like 3 ways on how I use the Silvery bedding to style my bed.
I don't get what you give, baby, but I know I do. But I know I do. Just want your sunny days. I want you. I want you. Just want your sunny days. I want you. I want you. Just want your sunny days. I want you. I want you. Just want your sunny days. I want you. I want you. Keep me on, keep me on, keep me on.
I know I've already mentioned this, but the softness of the sheets was just unbelievable, y'all. They are just so soft. Like, the comforter was just slipping and sliding because of how soft the fabric is. Like, insane. Insane.
Some say that you don't know what I got, but in the sunshine it feels so easy, baby. Yeah, you know it's true. Yeah, you know it's true. Just want your sunny days.
Now back to cleaning. I'm just going to tackle the surface areas, the dressers, the nightstands. I also did remove the table that's on Travis' side and bring in another black accent table. I don't think we're going to get any nightstands anytime soon, but if we do, of course, I'll let you guys know. But as of now, it's just going to have to work. And I felt like the black accent table looked a little bit better than the other one that was over there. If you are enjoying today's video, leave me some bed emojis down below. If you can't find the bed emojis, just leave me some green hearts down below. also did a little home decor refresh on the dresser and my side table. Nothing much. I just used some things that I had around my house. Alright, so this is what the silvery bedding looks like on my bed without anything added. It looks pretty boring, pretty dull, pretty bland. So we're just going to add in a few more pieces to make it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. I usually just use the fitted sheet, not really the flat sheet, but I thought I would change it up today. But I did tuck the sheet on the side, which was really difficult for me to do, but it's tucked, and this is style 1. Let me know what you think. I feel like it adds a little bit more to the bed, I shall say. It looks a little bit more fluffy, a little bit more cozier, but I will be styling it 2 more different ways. They all look really similar though, I'll just say that. So I'm going to give you guys an overview of the before and then the after. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much to Silvery for collaborating with me on this video. Also, when you purchase your Silvery bedding, you do have a 100-night risk trial. So if you are not satisfied, you can get your money back. Also, I get so hot when I'm sleeping and I wake up and my shirt is usually drenched in sweat. But after having this bedding, I can say that I haven't had any of those problems anymore. It has been amazing not waking up in a pool of sweat. So I highly recommend this bedding, and I give it a 10 out of 10. Like, I highly recommend. So if you need new bedding for those upcoming summer months, or you're just a hot sleeper like myself, I will leave all of the information down below so that you can shop with Silvery today. Again, I got the comforter, I got the Rest Cool sheets, and the pillowcases. And thank you all so much for clicking on today's video. I truly appreciate it.